Cherries are a deeply nourishing fruit for liver health, offering a rich spectrum of polyphenol and antioxidants that provide steady, protective support against inflammation and oxidative stress. Their vibrant red and dark purple hues signal a high concentration of anthocyanins, flavonoids, and other phenolic compounds that actively defend liver cells from damage caused by free radicals. Because the liver is the body's primary detox organ and is constantly exposed to oxidative byproducts from metabolism, alcohol, medications, and environmental toxins, foods like cherries that consistently reinforce antioxidant defenses can play a meaningful role in preserving liver function over time. One of the most important benefits of cherries lies in their ability to reduce liver inflammation. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is a major contributor to liver disorders, including non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and metabolic liver dysfunction. The polyphenol in cherries help modulate inflammatory signaling pathways, calming excessive immune responses that would otherwise lead to cellular injury and impaired enzyme activity. By reducing inflammatory stress, cherries allow liver cells to maintain normal metabolic processes, including fat metabolism, protein synthesis, and detoxification, with greater efficiency and less strain. Cherries also provide strong protection against oxidative stress, a process that damages cell membranes, mitochondria, and DNA within liver cells. Anthocyanins in cherries are particularly effective at neutralizing reactive oxygen species and preventing lipid peroxidation, which is closely linked to fat accumulation and insulin resistance in the liver. This antioxidant action supports healthier liver enzyme profiles and helps preserve the structural integrity of hepatocytes, making the liver more resilient to dietary excesses and environmental challenges. Another important aspect of cherries is their influence on metabolic balance. Despite their naturally sweet taste, cherries have a relatively low glycemic load and contain fiber that slows sugar absorption. This helps stabilize blood glucose levels and reduces insulin spikes, both of which are important for preventing excess fat deposition in the liver. Improved insulin sensitivity means the liver is less likely to convert excess glucose into triglycerides, reducing the risk of fatty liver development and supporting long-term metabolic health. Cherries also support liver health indirectly through their effects on sleep, recovery, and systemic inflammation. They are one of the few natural food sources of melatonin, a hormone involved in regulating circadian rhythms and sleep quality. Adequate, restorative sleep is closely tied to liver repair and detoxification, as many regenerative processes occur during rest. By supporting better sleep patterns and reducing oxidative stress throughout the body, cherries contribute to a more favorable environment for liver recovery and regeneration. In addition, cherries help support gut health, which is closely connected to liver function via the gut-liver axis. Their fiber and polyphenol nourish beneficial gut bacteria and strengthen the intestinal barrier, reducing the passage of inflammatory compounds into the bloodstream. This lowers the inflammatory load reaching the liver and supports more stable liver enzyme activity. A healthier gut environment also improves bile acid metabolism, further supporting fat digestion and toxin elimination. Cherries are easy to incorporate into daily meals and snacks, making their benefits accessible and sustainable. They can be enjoyed fresh when in season, frozen for year-round use, blended into smoothies, added to salads, or eaten as a naturally sweet dessert. Frozen cherries retain much of their antioxidant content and are a convenient option for consistent intake. Their rich flavor makes them an appealing alternative to processed sweets, indirectly reducing dietary factors that burden liver detoxification pathways. Over time, regular consumption of cherries contributes to a cumulative reduction in liver inflammation and oxidative stress. While cherries are not a cure for liver disease, they serve as a valuable supportive food that strengthens antioxidant defenses, improves metabolic balance, and protects liver tissue from daily stressors. When included as part of a diverse, plant-rich diet alongside regular physical activity, proper hydration, and moderation in alcohol and processed foods, cherries help support a liver that is more resilient, efficient, and capable of maintaining long-term health.